Merori wa Mount Kenya Digital TV gwenda gukunyita ugeni hamare tujitagwo Wangari wa Gitiha na muthenya wa mothe ni tucerete county ya Mombasa niguo guthikiriria ndikumita upcoming musician tondu ni muini mwega fiu gukira aria meho tha ici egwito Atomic twigukumena wa Mombasa hadu haretwo The Little Theatre nigetha turenda twire what happened in the show aria mata nahota gukinya guku matwire atwire niki gitumi giake gya gwikira show ino guku Mombasa na kana ni areciria ku expand ginya kuria mwena wa Nairobi nigetha tukimuiguage.
Yes. Thank you muno bitagwo Atomic nini nyuma na show ino ya guku dreda nyerete uhoro gika muno gukoza guku Mombasa to dreda kurehe culture na music jega iri no tondramenya kwe agikuyu igina onakotie ikuyu ando marenda kuigwa music itare na madoido maingi music holeru music yani ugithiki no thikiririe weika wikarete thi tana maundu maingi yani ndonire it's not a common kind of genre kwanza kwa modo age yakwa na nikidugira ku introduce kwa generation ino itu
na thini kwa Gikuyu ona ni twina andu aingita Irish mutore dainaga cia Gikuyu ni kuri na andu acio no nie uria ndaigwa na ndathikiriria ndirona wekawe mwena ucio wa Irish nyimbo ta icio hihi no wende gukorwo na ka collabo whether is digiga ndenda collabo todo no drag ya kumenya music yako hana atia no drag ya ku find but in the near future once that stabilize the music that I want to be out there digiga collabo ya modo na muno also I would prefer to have a collabo na modo atareka kidreka. Okay. Let's say tunafanya ngoma za Kiluo, tunafanya ngoma za Kizungu so that I can reach a culture that I don't have now because now I have that Gikuyu with what I'm saying, right? So I feel like it would be much better igeka music na ama igeka collabo na modo atari moyo ko ama atareka Gikuyu ugunidreka na thini wa show ya mothe niki gikoretwo kiri outstanding ona we waigwa ni wake na ginya audience aku makena niki ungiuga
igiwa ni arrangement yako arrangement ya songs in terms of ugo gosifagite na mufagire o rebo na mufagire wake na ndake no gwa ma appreciate ginya mudo akiuma how draiga ne gwa rebo uthiaga alafu ndake na niria set like almost the whole set was in Gikuyu but the audience was connected to me like the whole time na ni lugha elewi so that you menyonyesha kuwa it's not about what language naimba nayo ni as long as music yako ni true na ni pure utire mudo atagithikiriria onako ni Gikuyu Kijaluo todo gentaka Kijaluo natoka Kimeru so it was more of a culture show kuunganisha culture zote
na woga Kijaluo ndaririka na hena mwirutu ina wega muno au ma backup singer waku na oria megwifangite ogo ginya thauti ciao cihana ni andu hihi o hand pickete kana ni andu arata ku ukaigwa ni moyo kuina ukamoya kana ni atia
muno ngiuga first of all gimasagura da saguraga aratakwa ono gisagura aratakwa ni andu ni joy no mahote ku execute dread na execute ni andu talented muno fields yao utamwire tucio apo foma hado Masai Beach Hotel or Saturday, Sundays and Thursdays. Akora how Saturday and Thursday. Kwa mudo amekulia sauti yake mtu si amateur. Osio mwana kioge hapa kwa macha choma. Osioge Clyde ni mwalimu afuda music. Kwa unaona ni ado maramenya kile mareka. Kwa igakoro easy ya kwaka now.
Na ugo woga mwiruto performaga hoteli. Ewe ni performaga hoteli na niri kuguko Mombasa niguo agikoro ado marauma korea Nairobi makamenya aya ndathi guko Atomic ni gukora kina.
Leo kino kiria kiga muno. Na leo kuanza na show ino. The reason direct show ino ni toro direda perform hoteli. Todo wadi perform hoteli perform nyimbo cia andu. Nyimbo cia Alicia Keys, nyimbo cia Sauti Sol, uwo niguo muthia wika. Ni personally direda gukata artists mwenye andu maramumenya na nyimbo ciake. Koguo ni aiko ni wika hoteli no jetie besa nyingi muno tondu tikiro direda wika direda wika original music show teno ni gukoro regi na
or neko snitch or hanini after this show actually nie derokaga ngeciria ni thukuru turahingura koguo no twire thukuru iria urahingura niri na iretwo atia na andu aria mangienda gukorwo methini wa thukuru iyo megwika atia niguo mahote kuingira
thukuru yako iretwo Atomic Music School ni thukuru direda ifundithie music as it is, music itare na propaganda na maundu maingi. Na music principles yake na nyona asani igina adore maleka music mati putara the effort yenye ina deserve ona aya mina anje bose iko tiothe no aige na ndramenya kwa dumeda mundu areyuria tiriri ni ngimenya atia gwika uguo ureka we na ni hinya muno gufundithia mundu kindu utara understand utani niginyete handu gona understanding yako ya music ni irani ne ball fundithie mundu ungi na approach ya gufundithia niyo maundu mothe na personally ndona ndina approach njega ya gufundithia mundu wothe uri arenda kumenya music koguo thukuru ne ya gufundithia muno tu focus na kuina todo kuina ni challenging kuri andu ingi na utiri arimu aige mafundithia andu kuina
ona oro hau gufundithia ni tuona ni uhuraga gita ugire ginya drum niki kingi wekaga ate otomagira ta nyisi cia wini ta gita na
ni thakaga gita sina kogo thakaga gita gathaka piano gaina drums ni thakaga no dina mwalimu but no daisi no thake drums na necio njeka
no fundithanie
ciothe ne fundithagia
daisi urafundithia ni urafundithania daisi
daisi direka drafundithia andu kuina thaka piano na kuhura gita icio fundithagia private homes woko Mombasa yes
okay na riu kiuria ni riri riu goko show ni wareha Mombasa ina Nairobi tuko igwari
niguo kile kile muno riu ni ngorona principle ya gukonka kwanza kuria umete tondu ni ndi mwikari wa Mombasa koguo ndonire it's only fair konka Mombasa andu mamenya Mombasa tondu ni kujikaraga riu mamenya kuku kuria ndi my community gukoro easier kugia community ya Nairobi na odreda weka na community ya Nairobi taraisi show ino kwe artist twasemanya na tuti twasemanya nake na ni mwega muno ainaga wega muno ni mundu goreto giona diko nyingi na gikoro gire kwa emulate ntwamona show ino na okanto do kwena show dekira guku natiguo utigiasemania kwa gutuma na show ino ucio ona wikira show kunikora attract andu moke Mombasa at least more talent si hana ina ntao
otoria ni ndoka Mombasa
ni ndoria ngene muno
thank you turenda wire fans aku tondu ni ndona ni aingi muno nyagokoya gukoraga kwi very difficult ndo kugeithia celebrity so ukimere thegio aria makinya na aria matahotete gukinya umere kindu na aria matahotete
ndrega ni thegio muno ni guka show ino yako ya up close I don't take it for granted na no tukorona show nyingi muno taisi iria si kurehe good music exactly like this one na no ndimihoe na kumi urge tukoro hamwe show isioka my social handles
yes.
Atomic YouTube, Atomic Instagram, Atomic TikTok niko na boro wa kororo mtoto mijikenda au YouTube na Instagram na TikTok
Facebook. Namenyage kwa gima kora kwa Facebook.
Na niguo ndiracoka kumenya hau ndirahitia. Ndĩrahingũrire account. No ndĩna friends eri.
Ti page, ofate kuhingũra page. Ni higeyo uhingũre page.
Difference ni kĩ?
Difference ni page leo uko na page ni rariha Facebook. Yes, na ndio njega wa.
Nada makaundu.
Uhingũre page na tutigire kia utatuineire.
Ni wanyine.
Kakarwimbo kamwe.
Kariku. Karibu wa Kenya.
My director hena rwimbo Kuinaga. Yes.
Maitudoka na daruga kana maituda kuhoya uriku.
Maitudoka na daruga. Darera. Yo.
Ni gita.
Asa ina.
Maitudoka na daruga.
Daruga. Asa dikenda ngodoke hebo.
Maitudoka na daruga. Daruga. Iria jega dakaraga. Karaga. Wafanio kana danuga. Arasia deni darira.
Menda kuigwa. Mugoka. The next show muigwa rekodi ruothe. Na niko ruta tureterera by the album kana EP.
Niko na precious ya album. No muno ndĩrenda kũruta singles ntondũ ndona ku engage rwĩmbo rũmwe na kũrĩhe kĩrĩa tawati attention yothe handũ hau tura rwĩmbo rũu handũ hau tura attention yo kwĩ album nĩ kwega mũno ntondũ ukipe one song a lot of resources and a lot of time inakuwa a timeless song. I can with them from Jikenda. It's a song that took a lot of time to do that would have essentially made an album with that time, but I chose to do one song with all that time. Call all these people. Ilifanya na watu, but that song had like 10 people.
10
on that song. Top producer. So I want to do singles. So pale wataniambia wanataka gani? Wanataka metodoka na daruga. Ndio kwa Kenya. Ahiki.
Kenodia.
Ahiki kana metodoka na daruga. Au mungu gani guruta.
Okay, sawa. Orenge mwirori wa Mount Kenya Digital TV ni waigwa social media handles shake. YouTube aretwo Atomic. Na Instagram na Facebook ni kuhigura page momo follow how follow how Atomic social media sio the Atomic or Dogiaga. Atomic is a very unique name. Dokomwaga how hamari tojitago wagari wagetiha na twimenoa mubadha wanyo na geruta digino nehoru dimenyeretyo na odi na berego subscribe na watch Mount Kenya Digital TV. Bye bye. Orege mwirore wa Mount Kenya Digital TV gwenda gukonyitoge ni thini wa Mount Kenya Digital TV hamari tojitago wagari wagetiha na oria gwirire twi mwena wa Mombasa Kuma na a very amazing show muthenya wa mothe tugwetetwo ni Atomic na niamwira muthi social media yake mo follow na mo subscribe YouTube reta yake ni Atomic no tutuma nake wika tumana mwanake onge haha ena thauti eno nayo itakuwa ya kutoa nyoka pangoni. Sasa tunataka tuongee na yeye juu hasikii Kikuyu, kwa hivyo mtatulia radhi kwa Wakikuyu pia sisi tujaribu Kiswahili kidogo. Atatuambia jina lake na pia ni musician aina gani kwa sababu kuna genres mingi za nyimbo. Atuambie yeye pia ana imba nyimbo zipi. Habari yako?
Nzuri sana.
Seli yangu imekuwa poa ama ni mbaya?
Iko poa. Naitwa Elishua. Elishua ELLYSHUA. I'm a Kenyan soul artist. Yes, we sing music with soul.
And do you are you basically in Mombasa or?
Yes. I am based in Mombasa. Yes, but tunaimbia the whole country.
So he's Meru by the way, lakini sasa shida sijui Kimeru, tungefanya na Kimeru.
Sema vaite murume.
Vaite murume.
Natea.
Atina?
Natea.
Natea.
Yes.
Oh, pia
Natea.
Natea. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we want to know about your music journey na pia venye mlipatana na Tomic.
Oh.
Yeah.
My music journey is not so long. Tulianza kuimba back in high school. Tomic tumekuja kujuana in campus. Yes, first year tulianza kuimba pamoja. That's hapo ndio tulijuania. And it's been a good journey mpaka hapa tumefika. He's a very close friend of mine. Yes, his family. Yeah.
And how did you know that you guys can vibe to make such amazing music together?
Ilikuwa kampo vile unapitanga unapata watu wana vibe. So that's Tomic alikuwa na vibe. Probably nikapita and I joined kuimba tu kidogo. Then just later on I think gold knows gold.
Yeah.
And iron sharpens iron. So if you ukisikia msee ni mpoa pia anajua wewe ni mpoa. That's how the chemistry grew. Then we became a family. Sorry. Yes.
And on stage you told us that you are releasing your song in the next 3 weeks, 13th October.
13th October.
Yes. So tell us about the song and why it's a solo.
Yeah, it's a solo.
Why is it the first song you are releasing or there are others?
I have a couple of songs. Many. Vile hiyo nimeperform leo.
Yeah.
I'll be releasing it venye umesema on 13th. Actually I chose 13th because I was born on 13th. Yes, so not October, April, but I choose 13th because it's my number. I love it.
Yeah.
So and every month from October, every month on 13th, takuwa release a song. The song inaitwa Lava. It's about, you know, the people sote tunapenda differently.
Yes.
There are people who love people because of what they have, and others love people because of who they are. But sasa ukipata someone loves you because of what you have, ikiisha ile love itaisha. So I just wrote about it because I felt I am a lover. So I don't know how you love me back, but when I love you only because of who you are, not because of what you have. Yes.
And we want you to tell us your social media handles and sasa utuimbie Lava. just the mimi nataka utuimbie hiyo part ya Kimeru, hiyo part.
Yes. No problem. My social media, Instagram Eli_Shua, TikTok Elishua, Facebook Elishua, YouTube Elishua. Yes, zote ni Elishua. Yes.
Yes, sasa tusikize Lava. Ariama toi kwenda na nimuko menya kwenda na nini.
So Lava goes like
Wendo ibama jaranga kubata hitya mongo ngwikirure rure akia mama ulikusamba in the bedroom of your heart watoto fumbo ni fumbue.
That's it.
Okay. Hata sihitaji kuongeza kitu ingine hapo. So that song will be released on 13th of October. That is in 3 weeks time. And watu wangu wa Meru, yes, support your own. Ako huku Mombasa but pia ana spread Kimeru everywhere.
Exactly.
Na sasa ndo nimesikia Kimeru inaweza kuwa romantic, sijaisikia hiyo. Msinikujie. But yeah, thank you so much for agreeing to this short interview, and we hope to see you more and to many more lengths when it comes to music and everything.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
Pleasure.
Bye bye.